Ever wondered how to turn your refrigerator into a time machine? Well, today is your lucky day. First, open your fridge with intention. Make sure it's stocked with essential time travel supplies, clocks, books, and a banana. Yes, a banana is crucial. It stabilizes the time flux. Wear protective gear. Aluminum foil hats work best. Set the temperature to precisely -4 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze time, not your food. Now step into the fridge. Yes, all the way in. Close the door and wait. Time travel requires patience. And remember, if you start to see dinosaurs, you've gone too far. Watch all those steps carefully and follow for more useful tutorials.